science. I want to build Gitcoin for science, like Gitcoin but for science, using scientific grants on micropayments. Micropayments are given by Definity Internet Computer blockchain. We have the science industry. I already said this. Many scientists have no money resources to publish their excellent work in prestigious venue. So my work was not published in peer review at all. I was unable to put it in peer review because of silly reasons. We need money for scientific publication. Or I already thought about this. So solution: we need Gitcoin for science. We need to modify the idea of Bitcoin to be suited for science, for scientific grants. Second, need to support namely basic science because applications can support themselves using usual business models. Who of you knows that point 3 fan coins are super important? So how would I receive enough donations if I put this research into a competition of funding? Almost nobody knows. Mm, So the conclusion is that we need to allocate a part of donations to cited work. When somebody makes a donation, a part of the donation should be automatically allocated for cited work. Also, we need a mandatory affiliate program. Even if some scientist decides not to publish his work widely, it should be published widely, despite of his will, using affiliate program for publication. This describes the details how it works. I think it's not very interesting now. The project is in planning stage and needs your donations, your links to my site, etc. It is done on Infinity Internet Computer blockchain, as I already said, a truly cost-efficient blockchain, enough cheap to store project dependencies. So my slides are over. Or and stop sharing. Or another idea is to use prediction markets. I'm not sure that you know what is it. To what it is to give scientists money for their future performance of their works. Your comments, your questions, please. Everybody is silent. Do I explain it in an understandable way? Did I explain it in an understandable way? I see no questions. I also created a DAO for this project and the related project about software for science. Uh, but it now has two members, me and one man that I got into voting in it. The tremendous importance of this is that just one mispublished article, however, 500 pages text, made the entire science stuck. It's just a catastrophe. Catastrophe. I think we finished. I forgot to share my URL. This is the project URL in the chat. I built a fully decentralized system for this. A fully decentralized system for retrieving dependencies from servers like Semantic Scholar for scientific articles, or sites like Crates.io for software packages. The set of the basic science is very beneficial for software components that are unknown by the same receive little donations sometimes by the same reason why basic science receive little donations. Nobody knows that they need it. We need it, but we don't know. What happens? I finished. I want to hear your stage, Maggie. Okay, while nobody started after me, I'm still talking, but at any time feel free interrupt me and start another discussion because I just figured the post in the conversation. So, for example, if I put my order semi-group actions or order semi-category actions research on this Gitcoin for Science, that's a salary side project, but don't advertise it, or either because I have no advertising talent or because I don't want it to be known. But it's already on the site. Then sounds for the mandatory affiliate program. Anybody can become a marketer if he has marketing skills and advertise my work instead of myself. So it solves the problem that science and marketing skills are often disjointed. Because nobody speaks, I keep in speak, but take into account that you can interrupt me at any moment and start next presentation. So I'm presenting it again. Should I stop? So we have this system of decentralized downloading from sites like GitHub, Page.io, PyPilot, Semantic Scholar, decentralized downloading and verification of servers that download dependencies between packages or between articles, scientific manuscripts, servers, they check each other. If it's voted by most servers, we can disqualify a server, throw it out of the system, and find it to zero money received. The well-behaving servers will remain, and each one will receive a part of server's reward. It's done by canister on definitely their computer to have a kind of smart contract to which donors donate funds and authors withdraw money. It is done by using that an author is warned by email, for instance, in advance that he is accepted into the system and he might provide, for example, his Ethereum address to receive money. If he wants to receive money, he receives. If he if he don't want, or then the money, all money go to the dependencies to site works. I'm repeating that I don't need to keep speaking. You can at any moment interrupt me and start the next stage. I'm just feeling the pause. How much order semi-group actions are important is can be compared by importance with group theory. Group theory is studied in every university in the world and received so this way it's due due respect. I'm sure that my discovery of ordered semi-category and semi-group actions should receive the same respect, but now nobody is researching on it as far as I know. This is very sad. Maria, why don't you start speaking? I see you. I don't see slides. I see you. I see your slides, but they are not on stage. It's a small rectangle in the top, at the bottom right angle of the screen, corner of the screen. Some slides are violet color. I'm stuck. Now, sharing screen is requested. Should I know share screen or cancel? I'm not sure if I will click share screen to be sure, and maybe I can cancel. No, it's my screen, not yours. So cancel. Press cancel. Group theory is the foundation of most of the resistance economy, I think. So this place should be analogous frame should be given to my theory, I think. But now it's just unpublished in peer review at all. It's published, self-published on internet, and I found no way to publish in peer review for silly reasons, like that it's too long, like that I for silly reasons can't publish it by parts. I just made some publishing, not mathematical publishing errors, mistakes, and this led to a dead end. I published it in a Russian site that has only Russian interface for downloading papers. So, and now I understand that they can republish it on another site. Scientific ethics should be changed. So now scientific ethics make the impossible republication. It's a silly tradition that not better than some silly tradition that needs to be changed. To change it, I think we need to allocate money for another behavior of people than the tradition. So my project is operating with cryptocurrency, cryptocurrencies. Not operating, will operate. It's just in coding stage. I almost didn't start to write the actual code, but I described in English its algorithm, I think, completely, without many some details, but like how to decide order of or showing the project on the site, etc. But sorry, running notes. Uh, I also developed NetDB and NetDB order, two libraries for a database that allows on thinking computer canisters to publish big databases of ordered items like order of grants in the shows of the grants. I used it for another commercial project. Sadly, I'm now work for full time on a commercial project, not this project. I hope I will get some money and maybe interrupt the commercial project and do this thing, this non-profit impact our project. But now it's hard because religious discrimination expelled me from my university. I don't have a scientific degree and can't get any scientific grants. There is zero scientific grants, at least for mathematicians or without degrees. I browsed all the internet, I'm joking, of course, and found nothing like this. It's, by the way, a continued discrimination. I was discriminated by Russian religious, so to say, policy, not official policy, de facto policy. But now universities continue with discrimination by not giving me grants because I was discriminated. I tried to call a Russian to write to a Russian court but all of a sudden they didn't reply to my request at all. This is a great violation of a law that a court does not reply to a plea to a lawsuit, but it's so. I'm now in Israel. I try to apply to Russian court at distance from Israel. So a family conflict. My conflict with my mother eliminated most of the future science. So in Russia there is animation film uh, about goblins, home goblins, and one home goblin in the movie, in the animation movie, had a very not stuff, not sorry, not very lasting, not very strong, not very solid house. It was enough to I will turn on the camera. It was enough to touch the home of the goblin, and it started to fall. So world science is this home of a goblin. Just as family conflict, me and my mother, and entire world science disappears. Entire future science disappears. Say that the most of the future science is to be founded on order significant reactions. I think more than half of the future science should be built on this. It's weird that I discovered in 2019 because it looks like a very obvious idea. But my internet search showed no such results in the past, except of one very old article where this was introduced with an error, maybe from 1940 year article, but there it was with an error, so not applicable.